So keep your head up, keep your chin held high, stay positive. You're gonna get through this. Everything's gonna work out. Good morning, everybody. It is 8:10. Getting ready for work. I woke up a little bit late. Well, actually, we woke up fairly early. At 5:30, we did our prayer, and then just feeling a little stiff and sore in the legs. I took a nap. Ended up waking a lot later than I thought. I also didn't sleep too early. But anyway, doesn't matter. We're gonna do a quick workout, probably a home workout, and then tomorrow we'll resume kickboxing, or I might actually go to kickboxing this evening, because the evening class is slightly different. The morning class is just straight conditioning, like it'll kick your ass because you just boom, 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 boom. I think the evening class is where they actually go over a little bit more of the technique and a little bit easier. Because in the morning class, there's only 3 people, which is me and 2 other guys, and the coach. Anyway, gonna eat breakfast. I'll do one workout now, and then probably go to the lesson in the evening. Keep you guys updated. Finished our light workout. Did some mountain climbers and some push-ups. Gonna go for cold shower number 24. And possibly this evening, I'm thinking of doing another kickboxing class. Just the evening one with the other instructor. I don't want to not go. I want to go as much as I possibly can. Just the morning one is a little too intense for me right now. So, let's see. All right, I'll do this, then come back after for some cold shower thoughts. Cold shower 24 done. Cold shower thoughts really quick because I have to head out for work. I just got pulled into an impromptu meeting, and then now I gotta rush to the office. So cold shower thoughts number 24. I think in life you just gotta be positive. Gotta keep a smile on your face, and you gotta just work through things. It's what I've noticed. I mean, there's a lot of shit that goes on. Everything goes wrong. And you realize you just keep your head up, keep a smile on your face, and keep going forward. And everything is going to be okay. So, whatever you have going on in your life, you have the strength to get through it. I know you do. So keep your head up. Keep your chin held high. Stay positive. You're going to get through this. Everything's going to work out. Don't worry. If you have that mindset in life, you'll go far. And life is just overall much more positive and happy. And you have a lot more peace knowing you can handle whatever life throws in your way, in your path. That's it for cold shower thoughts. I'm going to get ready, head to the office, and then we'll head to the shop. So I'll see you guys after work, back in the shop. All right, guys, we're back in the shop. Thinking about what we should do today. Thinking, let's revise our Etsy product listing a little bit. Then we gotta start a project to revise our website. And then, yeah, I just got a bunch of personal stuff I've been taking care of. So I've been working on that. So anyway, let's do the Etsy pictures. I just need to take some better pictures that are better aspect ratio. Okay, so what I've done is I've added a video to our Etsy listing. It's our Etsy listing. Here's what the listing looks like. Got the nameplate, and our second is this video. It's just a 15-second video going over the process to make it. So what we do is we CNC machine the aluminum, we precision machine the brass, polish the brass, and then assemble it. And then just a couple more images here and here. So I'm doing that. A couple more products I want to design. We got to get our website updated slightly. I made some notes. What I'll probably do is I'm gonna head back to my studio and just work from there. I have to still working on some personal things, but I think it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. Share it. I think if we can get at least 4 orders from people, that would justify launching an ad campaign for Etsy. And let's see if we can get more. Now, the other thing I'm gonna do is customize this same nameplate, but to have a photo or something. Sneak peek is, it'll be something more for Valentine's Day, since Valentine's Day is coming up. What will happen is we'll have a heartfelt message here. And then here, in this area, there's gonna be a holder in the back, like a clip, for a photo that will pop up here. And so what I'm thinking is adding a threaded hole somewhere, or even maybe not a threaded hole, but some type of clip at the back side, which is not visible from the front. You can clip in your photo, and then something like, "You are being missed," or "Somebody misses you," or somebody loves you, or somebody's waiting for you at home. Something like that, some heartfelt message on the nameplate. So then it becomes more of a Valentine themed product, and then we go into Valentine's Day that is exactly 1 month away. And hopefully we get some more sales. So right now it's a professional nameplate. I'll put another listing for a Precision Machine Valentine's Day desk gift or something. All right, show your partner you missed them. I don't know. Something cute. That's the plan. Ended up not going to the kickboxing. I just needed to finish up a bunch of personal stuff. So that's gonna be done. Then I'm gonna go to dinner and call it a day, because I'm hungry, I'm tired. Upload this video. Yeah. Videos are kind of uninteresting right now because I just got a whole bunch of personal stuff to take care of, and I'm uploading daily. But that's a day in the life, right? It's just boring. So hopefully it'll get more interesting. I mean, I saw the product. We'll get some more sales soon, some more POs. We'll be rocking and rolling. The beginning of the year is always slow too, typically until February. March is when things pick up. All right, see you guys later.